Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to share with you the best way to link a bank account to Cash App. Alright, it's going to be a quick one as usual. Let's get into it. So the best way to link a bank account to Cash App is to use accurate details and stable financial connection. You want to ensure that the bank account is active and in your legal name to avoid verification issues. Link the account directly through the app using the official bank login, or you can do that by carefully entering the routing and account numbers. Avoid switching banks frequently, as repeated changes can trigger reviews. Once linked, send a small test transfer to confirm everything works correctly. Keep the bank account in good standing and with sufficient funds to prevent failed transactions. A properly linked bank account improves reliability and ensures that payments will not get delayed.